Hello guys, I'm here to review the DriftX. I'm gonna ride it. Purple Panda mic connected to it. So stay tuned. So what I think about it. All right. So let's go. All right. Since it's cloudy, it's not really fair to review this camera. I mainly use this a dash cam camera just for the viewers. I'm gonna use it as a vlog camera. It seems like the view you can only go to 140 FOV because for the GoPro Hero 8 you can go to 170 FOV. That's the super view. Woo! I love it. Do you love motorcycles? Because I love motorcycles, man. It's connected to my Purple Panda mic. It does work with a Purple Panda mic. The sound is pretty clear. The Purple Panda mic has a dead cat on it, so the wind will be no problem. So pretty much Ghost X, it's a dash cam camera for me. I mean, it's not really a vlog camera. I mean, it's on the side. I like the front ones. I like the GoPro Hero 8. The cool thing about this is it's waterproof. These mirrors are amazing. I can see what's behind me. It looks big in on the video, but on real life it's not. Man, riding the rain is so cool, adventurous. But the GoPro Hero 8 medium mod is not waterproof, so can't use it in the rain. Yeah, when I get that wet, I can dry it off and it seems fine. Oh. Woo! The rain, the rain. I love the rain. So what do you think about the DriftX with its crappy weather? Plus, this one is 30 frames per second. Put it in 60 frames to see what it looks like in 60 frames. If you vlog on the DriftX without the microphone, So head back home. Head back home. Be safe out there, guys. Alright, guys, so like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I upload videos every week, and keep on moving and be kind to yourself. Later.